Jack was 20 years old. He put all of his savings into opening a gaming center. At first, he charged customers $9 per hour, but soon no one came anymore. He lowered the price to $6 per hour, but still no one showed up. He was losing everything. One night, completely exhausted from stress, he went to see his billionaire uncle. He asked him for help, a man who had built and sold several businesses by the age of 40. When his uncle saw Jack's situation, he said, "You want to make more money, right? Then why are you only thinking about hourly income? In business, there are at least 27 different ways to make profit. If you do what I tell you, your income will become 10 times higher." Jack thought he was joking, but his uncle was serious. "The first thing," he said, "put up a sign at the entrance. First-time customers get the first 30 minutes for free." Jack said, "Free? I'll go bankrupt like this." His uncle smiled and said, "Think about it. Who only plays for 30 minutes? Most people stay for 2 or 3 hours. The first 30 minutes are free, but you charge for the rest." 2 weeks passed, and the place was packed. People who had never even heard the name of that gaming center were standing in line just to play for free. When his uncle saw that the number of customers had increased, he explained the second step: create a membership plan. $21 for registration. Members pay $3 per hour instead of $6, and each time they get one free drink. Jack hesitated. "One free drink? Are you sure I won't lose money?" His uncle said, "Trust me, people don't play games alone, they play with friends. One free drink is not enough for a group of 3 or 4 people. They will definitely buy more. That's your hidden profit." Then his uncle continued, "Now hold a monthly tournament members only. First place wins $60, second place $30, and third place $15. Everyone who participates also gets a small souvenir, for example, a PS5 figurine." Jack was confused. "The cost of this will be very high. What's the benefit?" His uncle shook his head and said, "You're giving them a reason to come back. They're not just gaming anymore. They're competing, making friends, and becoming part of a community." Jack followed his advice precisely. 90% of customers bought the $21 membership. Week after week, month after month, they kept coming back. 6 months later, Jack saw the result with his own eyes. He was able to open 2 more branches, and his income increased tenfold. One day, he saw his uncle again and asked, "How do you think like this? How do you see things that others don't?" His uncle laughed and said something Jack never forgot. "In today's world, only businesses with the right systems survive. Businesses that prioritize the customer over money. They create an experience that makes people come back again and again. And that's how the money comes to you." If you want to learn the ways to succeed in business, join the 365 Nanobook page and channel.